think we should be good now. I think we live. I think we are live. We are live, beautiful people. We are live. It is February. Yes, it is February. Actually, not February. March the 5th. I'm tripping. March 5th on a Wednesday. Let's go. We should be good. We should be good. We should be good. We're going live. We're on TikTok live. We're on YouTube live. We are on the world live stage right now, beautiful people. So what we're going to be going through today, as you guys fill up this room, we're going to be going over technical analysis. We're going to be teaching you guys how to 100% fish in the financial market, how to be a sniper in the game. Yes. We're going to learn how to be a sniper in the game. So I'm extremely excited. So I got my phone on TikTok. I got my live stream popping off on YouTube right now. So for those who are jumping on TikTok, my YouTube is in the bio. So go to my YouTube so you can see what I see, because I'm not going to be holding the phone and doing the same thing. What's happening, beautiful people? What's happening, beautiful people? So as you see, the room is filling up. You guys, make sure you like, make sure you hit that thumbs up as you come into the live. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn the notification bell on, so therefore every time we are on, you can see me, you can hear me, you can understand the technical analysis that we're bringing to the table. Yes, let's go. As you see, beautiful people, as I'm telling you, you are going to have to 100% come over here. This is where we at, and this is what we're looking at. If you guys immediately see, yesterday, I haven't touched my charts since yesterday. And I told you guys this trend line is extremely powerful. Why? Because we found it on the day. When you find a daily trend, y'all remember that trend? Put some 8s in the chat if you remember the trend. We're already getting started. It is 4:03. Normally I joke around for about 5-10 minutes. You guys, get them 8s in the chat, get some fire in the chat if you're ready to have an amazing time this morning. Yesterday, I showed you guys an amazing trend that has been forming and is already confirmed on the day on gold. I gave you guys the trend that was already forming on gold. And I said, yo, if she drops down to the trend again at 2903 to 2900, buy her up. You never had to touch it from there. You never had to touch the trade from there. She's still up 140, 150 pips. But let me show you what she did. She bounced on that trend. You go down to your 4 hour. Guess what she's doing now? Guess what she's doing right now, this morning at 29.10. Look. 29.10, guess what she did? I want you guys to see. Let me show you TikTok. TikTok, if you want to get over here and see it, you need to get on over here and get on my YouTube. You need to get to the YouTube. These are facts. You need to be here. So as you guys are flowing in here, flow on over here. Yes, get that fire in the chat. Put some welcome signs for everybody that is over here on TikTok to come over here on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that notification and make sure you hit the like button. We got 80 beautiful people in here and we got 41 likes. I think you guys need to do your job a little bit better. I think y'all need to do your job just a little bit better. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, because that's your entry into class. So let me introduce myself once again, because I know I got a lot of new watchers, I got a lot of new followers. And here in the last 2 months, I've had several posts go viral. So I'm literally sitting at almost 800,000 viewership in the last 30 days on my page. And I have over 20,000 new followers here in the last 3 months. This is growth. And what I do, I get on here and I just literally speak the truth about the financial markets. And I give you guys insights on exactly how to buy, how to sell, because what's important is Not only just buying into a trade, entering into a trade, is knowing when to exit a trade. So today's class, let me show you again. Today's class is going to be about how to become a sniper in the actual market. So imagine you could have hit that trend. Look, you could have hit that trend on a 4 hour, literally like 10 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago it happened. If I go down here to the 15, look, it literally just happened. It happened like literally 6 minutes ago. Yeesh. It happened like 6 minutes ago, right here, right now. The same trend. Let me show you. Same trend. So people who are in it from yesterday from here, you're up, up. You're up, up. Let's go. Let's go. If you're on TikTok, you can at least be tapping that screen and showing some love. So what I'm going to educate you guys on is how to get to that point. Let's get some 8s in the chat. Yo, Devontae, what's happening? Yo, King, what's happening? Hitta, what's happening? Assalamu alaikum. Jim, good morning. Buenos dias, Patrice. Eliana, buenos dias. Yo, DP, what happening? Shanisha, what's happening? Meg, what's happening? Kevin, what's happening? Let's go. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. That is literally a 70 pip jump. That is a 70 pip jump. If you just kept the markups from yesterday, jumped in her, closed her out, and what did I tell you guys yesterday? I left a message in the Telegram chat. Let's go validate it. Let's go validate. Let's go validate some things right now. Let's go validate some things right now. Let's go back to what did I tell you guys? If we get a close around that, what did I say? That 29.10, 29.13 area, that area where you guys were trading during open bail. I told you guys if we get a close during that time frame, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me find it. Let me scroll up. Once I scroll up and find it, you guys are gonna be Gucci. What did I say? Let's see what it says.
That means the market is not effing playing. So therefore, if she comes back into that zone, do not retake. The zone will not be valid. So just now you want to just allow this trade to just
here she goes.
Get up there right back into that Alex zone.
Tap that screen if you literally hear it.
Like where Alex was telling you guys that 9.10, that 29.10 area. Bring your stop loss literally already at break even, and then just let that thing push. We're looking at easily like she could bounce right back up into that 29 area. So this could be a really almost like a 200 to 300 pip move if you play it correctly.
Yes.
So everybody move your stop loss in like basically just at break even. You should be 30 pips in profit if you took aggressive. I'm from middle to modest.
What's up, Silverado Ranch?
We are literally up almost 40, 50, 60 pips right now. So let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll. As I said, beautiful people, we're in it to win it. We are in it to win it around here. And again, that gave you another 70 pips. That pushed you up another 70 pips. We called this out my time, like maybe 440, 445. Maybe 440, 445 I gave you guys this zone. 40, I think it was like 47 minutes into class. 47 minutes it was into class. You got that zone. So, first you blessed it. Yes. First you blessed it, Paola blessed. Yes, so we have a whole hit squad over here that is blessing individuals in the financial markets. What charts you use? I use TradingView. So I trade gold, I trade NASDAQ, I trade US 30. I basically specialize in trading gold. I got gold in a headlock for the last 4 years. So if you want to see my charts, go to my YouTube right now, subscribe to the channel, jump on the live right here, right now. Everybody is live right now. Everybody's live right here, right now. So TikTok, transfer from there and go over here. So I appreciate you guys showing up. I'm finna get off the live stream and then we're finna focus on teaching individuals how to be a sniper. So if you're interested, jump on over here because we're finna be double dipping right now. This is beautiful people. Get them off. I'm finna start double dipping early in the morning. I'm finna get me a little TikTok live in, and I'm finna get me some Wick talk in, and then we're gonna be analyzing the market within the next like 25, 30 minutes. So what I said today is like how to become a sniper in the market. How did Mr. H come up with the 2903 to the 2900 and not give you guys the 2910, the 2913, the 2916? Why do I not give you these zones, and why do I give you this down here? Because these are the areas where the market took off. Mr. Lugo specifically told you guys yesterday, hey guys, I'm giving you plays to go in and out. Mr. H is giving you plays for the bigger move. Remember what we spoke on yesterday in class. Remember what we spoke on yesterday in class. I said there's 4 types of traders. We already know this. But if you're going to be the trader that is trading in the middle of the zones, you are the trader that is saying, I'd rather have a high risk, high reward type of trading journey. As an individual who has been trading for over 9 years, educating for the last 5 years, I like a low risk, high reward trading journey. Due to the simple fact, in this 9 years, I've probably blown $1,500 maybe 100 times. Easy 100 times. Just trying to figure it out. Yes, and I only wear gold. It's all natural. I'm telling you, it's like straight Jew gold at that. Straight blue, like straight Jew gold. So let me also say this. If you're in an organization right here, right now, and you're in OBG, I'm gonna ask everybody when we get off this line to double check and make sure that your membership ID is next to your name, not in your bio, not in your username. Put it right next to your name. So if your name is John, it should be John 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that. That's what the logistics is asking me to tell you guys, so you guys don't have to worry about getting clipped out of the chats. We got that understanding? Put some fire in the chat. Put some fire in the chat. I had to make that announcement. I forgot. I got a quick little note over here too. You know, Crystal was on my ass, and very seldomly does Crystal get into my DMs. And Crystal was like, yo, Mr. A, none of your people, well, very few of your people got their membership ID in there. I said, well, you know they rebels. You know they rebels. You know they rebels. They're AAA gang. They're the AAA gang. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. What up, A? What up? What up, Chase? How you doing, baby? Yo, Aunt, what's happening? So let's get into it. Let's get into it. As you see, yesterday, Alex gave a 29.13, 29.10. That is active this morning. So it's not that it was not a good trade. It was an aggressive trade yesterday for open bail. So what it required for him to do was manage that like a king, like manage that like a trading guru as he is. I gave you this zone. It hit modest. Push back out. Close your aggressive. Keep your modest. Comes back out. Clips you at the modest. Now we drop the zone another 30 pips. So now you hit that aggressive. It goes to your modest. Now you enter drawdown. Modest hit. Goes up 60 pips. Close your aggressive. Hold your modest. Break even. Take partials. Break even. I hope you guys understand the language that he was using yesterday. I hope you guys understand the language that he's using. So when he's telling you, close this, hold this, you have to do it right then and there. You can't be thinking, oh man, I'm like this. Oh man, no, it's past the aggressive. So close the aggressive. No, I'm positive already on the aggressive. So how about I put break even on the aggressive and break even? Why? Close the aggressive, hold the modest. You're in-game trading live in a $6.6 trillion market under the New York Stock Exchange time. It is the most volatile at that time. It is the most violent at that time. It is the most brutalist at that time of taking new, immature, uneducated individuals' money. So I'm going to ask any and everybody that is participating in the New York Stock Exchange in the open bail, be mindful of your capability of following instructions. And if you have a trouble, let me say this again, if you have trouble following the instructions and literally participating because it's moving so fast and it gives you anxiety, don't trade it. Just watch. Don't trade, just watch. Or put a micro mini lot and just press the button when someone tells you to press the button and watch pennies change into dollars. We had an individual yesterday took a penny micro mini lot and changed it into $7. And because he was brand new, he mismanaged the trade and accidentally clipped out the trade. And that trade would have gave him $12 from a penny. $12, $11 a day, 4 times a week, that pays your membership. Phew, sniper game. This thing is up 80 pips right now. 80 pips right now. It's a beautiful thing. Is anybody still holding her from yesterday? Don't use the demo. I don't recommend using the demo, Matt. I don't recommend using the demo for the simple fact anybody can win on demo. Anybody can win on demo. What'd you say, Maggie? Megan said, those fast scouts, my jam. Yes. In and out of the market. So let's talk about it. Let's delete everything. Let's get her naked. Let's find out what she's up to today. So in order, is the music too loud? Put a 1 in the chat. Let me know if my music too loud. Put a 2 in the chat if you're feeling that vibration. Because that frequency is Kundalini awakening, empowering energy. What'd you say, Crystal? That's what's happening to you? Then you have to lower your lot size, Crystal. You have to lower your lot size. You have to lower your lot size. And as you lower your lot size, then you won't be freaking out, or you won't be, you know what I mean? You won't be like feeling that anxiety. Everybody's good? Everybody's good on the music? The music is good? Say less. So let's look at gold right now on a weekly. Last night we had a nice little gathering out here in Vegas, a little live session. It was pretty good. We got to meet some faces that are actually here that just signed up. So it was like putting names with literally like tags and Telegram photos. Is like putting the face with that. It's a beautiful thing. It's literally a beautiful thing. So we had a really great time last night, and we decided that we're going to consistently show up on Tuesday at this particular location and do some live sessions. So I'm super excited to start that and build it up to something really, really nice. Really, really nice. Because people's like, man, that was a small event. Yeah, you got to start somewhere. You got to start somewhere. You got to start somewhere. And if I'm going to start somewhere, why not start right here in Vegas? Why not start right here in Vegas? Booyah. 1616. So what I have done, so the key, let's focus real quick because we're 20 minutes into class. The key to becoming a sniper in Forex is literally understanding your parameters and your top-down analysis. Let me repeat that. One of the keys of success of being a sniper in the Forex market is understanding your parameters of your top-down analysis. So what I'm going to teach you here today is a basic top-down analysis, once again, from the week to the day to the 4-hour. And from the 4-hour, we project our entries and then we allow them to play themselves out. And if you're in a hurry or you start feeling that itchy trigger finger because you can't not watch the market and not participate, then you're going to slide down into those smaller time frames and you're going to find yourself trading in the middle of zones, projecting where she's going and assuming where she's not. This is exactly what's going to happen. So watch this. First thing first, we go to the week. And because it's a new class, and I know I have a lot of new people that have signed up and that are watching, I'm going to show you guys how to literally mark your charts. This is a weekly floor. Your weekly floor and your weekly roof is like you're supporting your resistance. So therefore, I just call it weekly floor, weekly roof. So that lets me know the parameters are there. You see right here? Put a 1 in the chat if you can see it. You got your weekly roof, which is 2,954, which is the all-time high on gold. This is the highest it has been in 2025, 2,954.6. The lowest been from 2022, October 31st, while everybody was playing Ghosts and Goblins. It hit 1616 for the last time. It hit 1616 for the last time and flew up for 3 years. So overall, we're going up. Currently, we're going up. That's a weekly candle. It has 2 days left and it is green. So overall, we're going up. Currently, we're going up. This candle right here gave us a great entry yesterday. A great entry yesterday. So watch my daily. Look at that daily candle. Look at that daily candle. So beautiful. So beautiful. Last night in class, when I was teaching at the place last night, I don't believe Keith is in here because he drove back to Arizona last night. Yo, y'all put some fire in the chat for my boy Keith. Put some fire in the chat for my boy Keith. Keith just got back home like at 3:45. He just got back home by 3:45. At my time, 3:45 a.m. 3:45 a.m. He came out here. He did all the design on my wall back here. He helped me, like he built a garden for my daughters in the back. Like, man, what an amazing guy. What an amazing guy. And let me tell y'all a story real quick for about 3 minutes. Put some 8s in the chat if I can tell y'all a story real quick about this guy, Keith. Let me tell you, everybody has a journey. Everybody has a journey. So 3 years ago, I don't know if you guys don't know this, but I became famous on TikTok. And it's not because of my face or because of my conservative views or my conspiracy thought process. It's because I used to get on TikTok, not show my face, and then I would do Wick talk. And I would do exactly what I'm doing for you right now. I would do this on TikTok during COVID. And I literally blew up. Like, I blew the hell up. Everybody started recognizing me. Oh my God, you're Mr. H, you're Mr. H. Oh my God, I made so much money with you on your TikTok. Oh my God, I finally understand. Keith was one of my biggest trolls in my lives. Let me tell you, this guy was probably one of the biggest haters in my lives, in my comments. This guy doesn't know what he's doing. This guy's full of shit. This guy's a scammer. He used to be in my comments like this, and I was like, here come Keith the hater. Here he comes again. So let me prove his ass wrong again. So we would go back and forth in my live. My moderators would always want to kick him out, and I would say, no, leave him in there. Because one thing I know is when you're doing what's right, the devil's always gonna come knocking. So I said, this guy is such a fucking hater. But I love him because he's funny. He's funny as hell. So certain things that he would say would make me laugh so hard because I'm just like, who would say some shit like this? Like, the guy is so funny. So I would be laughing my ass off and he's just like trolling the hell out of me. And then one day, let me tell you, one day I get a phone call and I'm just like, from Instagram, and I'm like, who the hell is this? And he's like, I give up, bro. You win. I'm fucking signing up. He's like, this is Keith. This is the guy that's been in your comments for the last 2 years. And let me tell you, me and this guy have been together ever since. We've been around with each other ever since. And now all of a sudden this guy is like, he makes a vision comes true that's like my office, set my office up. And it's like, it's just funny how God put people in your life with different skill sets and different reasons, and literally you never know why. And if you don't question it and you just rock and roll with it, you'll be amazing how God really truly performs over your life 365, 24/7. He's always there. So I just want to say thank God for real good friends. You know what I mean? Like, thank God for real good friends, man. It's amazing. Marcus, my lady, like, leave titles. Just really good friends, that people who really love you and just really want to like do best by you. It's like, it's amazing. It's amazing. The world is amazing. And that just goes to show, like, there's always going to be good people. There's always going to be bad people. You know what I'm saying? There's always going to be that in the world. But man, you got to love on the really good people when you meet them. When you meet really good people, you got to love on them. These are facts. So let me stay focused because that trade is now 90 pips in profits, you see. So this is your daily candle. Look at that daily candle. So we have a daily floor, which is sitting right here. Boom, 29.02. That was the entry from yesterday. This was the entry from yesterday. That's your daily floor. Sheesh. Sheesh. That's the daily floor from yesterday. I had a 902 alarm. I had a 902. That was middle to modest. 903 to 900. 2903 to 2900. That was a sniper entry. So I always tell you guys, here's the key right here. This is where most people struggle with marking up your daily candle. If I have a very little wick on the daily candle, let me show you guys. Let me get it over so you can see it. Y'all see that little wick? Put some ones in the chat. If you see this little wick that is sitting on top of the daily, let me even get a pointer so you guys can really see it. This wick right there. That wick is not dominant enough for me to say that I want to make that my daily roof. I have to go to the more dominant wick, which is right here. So I'm going to choose yesterday's high versus right now high, which allows me to give the trade room to breathe. You see, because she's pushing up right now. She's literally almost 180 pips up from yesterday's entry. And if you just bought back in at 29.10, because that's where she just bounced from the 15 minutes, look. The trend right there. She broke the 29.10 right here. Where is it at? We're going to say 29.12 she hit. We'll say 12. We'll give you the 12. I think he gave you 13 to 10, 29.13, 29.10. He gave you that zone. So that's that zone right there that just played out from the trend line that you can put right here and you can see it. You see? There's your trend right there. Boop. There she goes. That's your entry. That's your sniper entry right there. Bink. 180 pips before, literally like before even 5 o'clock in the morning, before 8 o'clock in the morning, if you're on the East Coast. Hands down. Watch this. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back. So now let's go. No, we need the daily floor. Let's get our daily floor. Actually, this is, let me go back to the day. Let me go back to the day. Here we go. There she blows. Daily roof. Bang. Daily roof is sitting at 29.27. Y'all see that? I go to the left, I start vetting the 29.27. If I start heading over here and I go, yo, that 29.27 has been pierced so many times. You see it? Put some ones in the chat if you see it. Look. It very seldomly did it drop straight from the 29.27. Look, even right here, it dropped from the 29.30. So this lets me know that the daily roof has some inconsistency. It has holes in it. So if the market comes to the 29.27, I don't like that as an entry for the simple fact she's vulnerable. You understand? It shows me that she's vulnerable, and these are daily candles. So I just go over here to the 4 hour to vet it and see. You see? Look. That lets me know that the market has pushed off. It's sitting on an EMA 9 on a 4 hour. And that is a really good wick for a 4 hour candle. The last thing I want to be doing is selling right here. So you see how this little normal zone, the 20, what did I give you guys yesterday? I think I gave you guys what did I give you guys yesterday? I think it's up here. Mag, what did I give you guys yesterday? I think I gave you guys the 40 something. What did I give you guys? I can't even think. I think 42.45 or 42.45. Let's go find it. Let's go find it. Let's go find it. So let's go find it. I even like it right here, to be honest with you. There she goes. 41.44. Amen. There it is. There There it is right there. There she goes right there. Buy out. Now imagine. So where did I get that from? Y'all see? Look at this. Y'all see these wicks? Y'all see these wicks? Y'all see those wicks? So I started aligning my stuff up with that because again, it's NFP week. It's a dangerous week to be trading. You have a lot of news today. Let's go. Let's look at news. You have a lot of news today. You got PMI in Europe. You got, and that's price. I think that's price matching index, something like that. The PMI. It's something, yeah, dealing with the price. The price. You got at 5:15 a.m. you had news. You had news this morning at 5:15. At 5:15 you're gonna have a red folder. You got farm employment change. You got ISM services, PMI. So today is a really, really, really like risky day. So you want to make sure non-foreign payroll. That's what that means. I thought it meant not fucking playing. For those who don't understand what is NFP, Max Swag just told you what it is. Non-foreign payroll. I thought it was not fucking playing. Like the market ain't playing around on NFP. Let's go look at the currency pairs. What they looking like. Let's go refresh them. As you see, JPY is the weakest pair. Euro, GBP, USD, odd, chef. These are the bullies in the market. All of these could be paired against the JPY and you can buy them all. You could buy them all. 100%. So here we go. Now let's get back into gold. Let's stay focused. Let's get back into gold. So now we're sitting at a 29.02 to a 29.45. 29.45. I'm going to keep that 42, that 44.41. I'm going to keep the 42.41 sell zone. I'm going to keep that zone. Somebody type that in the chat. You have a sell at 29.44 to 29.42. That market is going to push up here, and as I get over to the 4 hour, I want to make sure that it comes up in small candles. You see that? I want to see this come up in small candles. If I get a really big green candle that shoots up here like this, if it just boom, just shoots up, then this goes up to here, you see? Because this is no longer valuable, because now you have a really big bullish pressure coming into it. If it comes up in these little bitty candles like this, you see these candles like that? If I see a lot of rejection, a lot of hesitation, where the market is like beep, 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 boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, and then it just goes beep, boom. That's what could happen today. This is exactly what could happen today. It could come up, fill this area. See this gap right here, y'all? Put a 2 in the chat if you see this gap right here. From here to here is a gap. Meaning the market came here, dropped down, and now is refilling all of the imbalances over here. Meaning it is coming back and grabbing money. So if it pushes on up here, it could drop from here, it could drop from here. But I say, yo, if she comes here, she really drops. Let me jump into the comments. So you like the 29.44 to the 29.41 for the sale? Amen. Yes. That's the analysis from yesterday. So we took the buy. So that means we took the buy from the oversold market, Mag. So that means if we took the buy from the oversold market here, boom, because this will be the 29.02 right there. So that means once she comes over here, we got to get the sale from the overbought market. You see where she at, man? You see why I like the 44 now? So right now on the 4 hour, she's sitting like she wants to break through market rejection coming from the overbought market. She wants to come out of the overbought market. She's moving sideways there because that's a consolidated area right there. If I turn my charts upside down, you would see that this is a head and shoulder reverse pattern. Put some fire in the chat if you see it. Put a 1 in the chat if you do not see the reverse head and shoulders, and I will draw it for you. All I need to do is see is 1, 1 if you do not see it. Eric sees it. What makes it the zone you like? Oh, I'll show you, because it fills the gap. It fills the gap. So watch this. You see it? Everybody should be seeing it now. Julie, you don't see it? Mary, you don't see it? Watch this. You know I love y'all. You know I love y'all. So get out of here. Here's your shoulder. There's your head. Oh, come on. Let me scoot my stuff over. Let's reset. Let's reset. Let's reset. Here we go. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. You see that? You can draw your head right there. Boom. You got eyes. Boom. And Gog 3000. That is a reverse head and shoulder. That is a guy standing upside down. So if that's reverse, where's she going? She going here. So for the person that asks, what makes you like, why do you like that zone? Is because price is sitting right here at 29.17. She bounced from 29.10. She was down at 29.01. So if she is at 29.17, coming from 29.01, she going to 29.45. So in order to be a sniper, I don't waste my time saying, yo, if she's going to 29.45, she's already pushing up 70 pips. Let me FOMO in right here and just buy her up to the last shoulder. No, you can't make that assumption. You can't make that assumption. So what you have to do, let me get all of this, let me get the drawings out, let me clean the drawings up. Let me clean the drawings up. What you have to project is like, yo, this is still a valuable trend because it's being respected. You see? That's a 4-hour trend line that is being respected. And I go, yo, in the next hour and 20 minutes, if we get let me get this out of here, push up, because overall she's going up, currently she's going up. So if that's the case, boom, you see, she's going up. But market likes to do the opposite of what most people analysis is. So how do I know if this is not valid? Because she will break this trend. And if she breaks this trend, guess what's waiting on her over here? Guess what's waiting on her over here? The 29.02, the 29.89. That zone is still right here waiting for a buy right here. But because it hit 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, when it get here again, you have to take it. You have to take it. You have to take the floor until it leaves you. You see that? You have to take the floor until it leaves you. So watch this. Watch this. 29.02, boop, to 28.99. See that? I'm gonna go right there. 29.02 to 28.99. That is the safest little fake out that you can say, bink, and then the market does like this. Comes back to retest the trend. And if it's a fake out, it's gonna break back through the trend to get to the 45.42. If it's not a fake out, it's going to hit that trend, and then guess what's gonna happen? Boom. So in my analysis, I'm saying that the market is overall going up, currently going up on the weekly. On the daily, you see she's pushing up because you have a 60 to 70 pip wick. If I'm projecting her to continue going up, and now she's looking like she's going up in small candles, why? Because she's already in the max, she's already in the overbought market. So price is already extremely high for gold. So is it going to push back up, or is it going to regulate down here? According to news, if news hits, it should be good for gold. So gold should push back up to the max overbought, and then you sell her from there. If she drops into the middle, now you go down to your stochastics and you go, where is she going to reject from? You're looking for little pivots like this, you see? You're looking for little movements like this where the market has came from the overbought market, reversed, and went right back in there. Reversed, and then went right back in there. Reversed, kept going, but came right back in there. You see these little areas right here? Let me get a 1 if you see these areas down here in my stochastic. Let me give you a market rejection there. Let's give you market rejection right up in the middle. No excuses. No excuses. Boom. So guess where gold can come? Gold can come all the way down here, reject, and fly all the way back up to the max overbought. So what that leads you into saying, yo, if gold right now breaks this trend, she's gonna come right here and she's gonna pull up. If she breaks that zone, because yesterday she hit it already 3 times and gave you 100 pip plus each time. Let me say it again. She hit this area yesterday 3 consecutive times. After I told you guys it was not valid, I said, listen, I don't like it if he comes there again. I personally liked it. I just knew that the risk was dropping as the reward was dropping, but it just kept playing out. It just kept playing out. Yo, anybody that had high risk, people were taking it. I didn't take it. Why didn't I take it? Why didn't I take it? Because I was still in the original entry. I don't have to retake something that I still have the original entry in, that I have not been clipped out on. So why do I need to jump back in it again? It's still there. Let it play out. Let it play out. So sniper entries for the day. 29.45, 29.41 is 29.44, 29.45 is your sale. Your buys are literally 29.02, 28.99. If a big red candle starts shooting down here, this becomes a sell zone. Understand that, beautiful people. This becomes your sell zone, because if the market does this and now it does not want to respect the 29.02 and it shoots down like this, it retests that zone. And let me tell you, the 29.02 to the 28.99, that is fire. It will reject here, and then it will come down to the EMA 200. And you can see a 28.50 this morning if we get a really, really bad like candle on news. You understand that? So the play, here's the play. I would normally tell you take the retest sell here, but the buy zone is too powerful. Uptrend overall, currently overall. So this could be an easy fake out. It could be an easy fake out. Boom, and then shoot back up. So what you do is you watch and you go, yo, as long as you're respecting the trend, you can buy from the trend. If you scalping, you can go down to a 15 minutes and you can scalp this thing all day. Bing, 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 all the way here. It's extremely risky. That means you could take 20 plus trade, lose 4 trades, win 16 trades. If you're on the wrong side of that, that means you could take 20 plus trade, lose 16 of them, win 4 of them. No income claims. So what I always tell people, Why get involved with the retailers and the confused, consolidated as individuals? Just get involved with the individuals that are making the market move. And people who make the market move are people who basically create the 500 pip drops, the 600 and 800 pip drops. You see, this is a drop zone. See where last time gold hit 29.44, that heifer dropped 600 plus pips. So listen, 29.44, 29.41, let's go, baby. People say, oh man, it's too far. That's 300 something pips. That's the zone. If it does not hit today, no problem. It'll hit tomorrow. So what's going to happen is I give you these zones, and these zones are projecting and giving the market space for big rapid volatility in the market when come open bell. Versus jumping in right here and saying, yo, open bell should take me here. Open bell should take me here. No. No. I let the market go where it needs to go, makes the decision, and then I go with the decision. I let the market come and do what it want to do, and then I go with it. If the market comes back down here with the EMA 200 right here, how many people understand what the EMA 200 does? Yo, hit up. What does the EMA 200 do? Y'all type it in the chat. Y'all type it in the chat. Yo, we got 164 million people in here right now, and we got 90 likes. I'm gonna need y'all to get these likes up. I'm gonna need y'all to get these likes up like right now. ASAP Rocky. We need to get these likes up. If you're sitting in a class and you did not hit the thumbs up to just say, you know what, I appreciate this man going on here and giving me real deal technical analysis early in the morning, telling me about an EMA 200, how it's a magnet and how it's a slingshot. It's a slingshot. Anthony knows. That motherfucker's a slingshot, pardon my French. But do you know what a slingshot is? Y'all remember the man, the Chinese black guy on the Bruce Lee movies, went into the Chinese restaurant and said, man, do you know what Chinese spare ribs is? Do you know what an EMA 200 is? That's a slingshot, meaning the market likes to come, do this, and then slingshot off of it. You see? This is what it likes to do. So I go, yo, this is what it did. Boom. Let it come back in again. Boom. Slingshot off of it. Why? Because it's trying to fill this area right there. I think this was a fire class. For those who are struggling, what I just gave you a recap on, if I just give you a quick recap, I just gave you guys a quick recap on how to become a sniper in the market with a proper technical top-down analysis. Choosing your weekly roof, your weekly floor, which gives you the actual boundaries of your total overall highest of high and lowest of low in the last 3 years. Then I jump to the daily because most of us are day traders. So therefore, we want to make money the day. So therefore, we went to the daily, we trapped the low of the day, and then we went to find the high of the day. And because the high of the day has not been confirmed, because it's a very small candle, it was sitting as a doji, so it was pushing 29.18, 29.17, 29.19. That's not the high. Yesterday was already dropping from 29.27. You see? So if she was already dropping from 29.27 yesterday, and yesterday's zone was in the middle because the day before that, she was at 29.44. And that's where I gave you the 29.44, 29.41. That gap is still there. So the market must go up, must fill that gap, and then once it fills that gap, it comes back down to grab the actual stop losses who are basically immaturely push themselves up into profits too fast, too quick. Sheesh. You guys should watch this video 100 times. You should watch this video 100 times. Watch what I tell you. Once again, I'm going to show you right now. I would like to see news come in. Respect the trend, bank head off of it to the sell zone. I will take the sell. If she breaks that trend, comes to the 200 right here, this lets me know that this is an area that has played out and was extremely valuable yesterday, an extremely valuable price. So at this price, at $2,900, $2,902, $28.99, this area right there is a golden slingshot. Bing. And that slingshot could literally just come, retest the back of that trend, and die. It could die. Because that is a break close, retest, die. Break, close, retest, die. Meaning the buy can give you another 140 pips, 150 pips, and then die. This is what it can do. This is what it can do. Can you explain why you selected the 2945? Lori, I wish I could explain, but that's from yesterday's class. So what I'm going to ask you, Miss Allen, go to yesterday's class and watch it, and you will see exactly why it happened. Because we got like 9 minutes in class. I got a few more announcements to make. But that's why I chose that. Because yesterday was a fire spot. Today is still a fire spot because it did not reach there. It did not get there. Previously, a week ago, I gave you the 20. Miss Allen, I might as well explain it to you. A week ago, I gave you a 2944, and it dropped almost 500 some pips. It dropped almost 500 some pips, and it only hit it once. It only hit it once. So imagine if it comes back over there again, it might not give us 500 pips, but it can give us 200. It could give us 250. You see? I just told us again. I know I said I ain't gonna do it, but I said, man, it'll take you 60 seconds. See, my spirit told me, sir, she's asking questions. It'll take you not even 30 seconds to answer the question. I don't know about everybody else, but I be having my spirit sitting right here on my right side, and then I be having my ego sitting over here on the left side. And sometimes my ego gets so, you know what I'm saying, because we're performing at such an elite level live that is like my ego loves that shit. My ego loves being up under the lights. And because I'm able to literally have really good people around me to create my whole stage for me. You know what I'm saying? I got lights on my roof now. I got Mr. Holistic 888 on the wall. I got lights over there. I got MJ last shot right here. I got trading chart patterns, candlestick confirmations right here. So I feel like I'm at my ultimate right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm at my ultimate. Griselda. So the buy and sell zone, let me see what she's saying, will be only one or of the two depending on the market's direction. Absolutely. Absolutely. As the market makes a decision, you will see it. It's either going to come up here or it's going to come down here. The market moves three ways. It moves up, it moves down, it moves sideways. Right now, she is moving sideways, but she's going up. You see, she's going up at 60 pips, 80 pips, 90 pips, then she's dropping right back down, 60 pips, 80 pips. That's what you see right here. This is exactly what you see right here. That's a 60, 80 pip consolidation. 60 to 80 pip consolidation. That is respecting the trend every time, you see? She coming back down, touch the trend, bounce up. Touch the trend, bounce up. But she's doing it with small candles. You see these baby candles? So anytime I see these small candles, somebody put the statement in there. Put the statement in the comments so people can see it. The bigger the consolidation, the bigger the breakthrough, Griselda. The bigger the consolidation, the bigger the breakthrough. So as bigger this is, longer the actual it is, the more it's going to break out. You see? So when I come back over to my 4 hour, I go, yo, look at the 4 hour projection now. You see, look at the 4 hour projection now. Look at that wick. She gets up out of this consolidated area here. She breaks out. She gives us a close at the 29.22. Now she's going to give us a close at the 29.27. She gets above 29.27. She's up out of there, I'm telling y'all. Now watch this. You're going to get into open bell, and people are going to start giving you all the 28, 29, the 20, 30, 27. I can see easily somebody giving you a 29.30 to a 29.27 and it playing out because of this wick right here. I can easily give you guys this play right now. I just think it's hella aggressive because of the news. I just think it's hella aggressive because of the news. But it could easily play out right here. Let me just show you. It could easily play out right here, a 29.30 to a 29.27. That could play out so easy right here for a sale. Because there's always money in the market. So I'm not trying to confuse you guys. I just want to let you guys know that you'll probably get this zone pretty quick because the market could pull up here and drop. Easy, easy. But let me tell you this, beautiful people. If the market is overall in an uptrend, currently in an uptrend, she is already pivot and on her way back up. Why are you trying to sell on the uptrend side? You understand that? So if the market comes all the way over here, she's going to sell, but she's going to be on this side of the trend. You see? Look. As the market gets up here, she's going to do like this. Boom, 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 boom. That's where she drops from, right here, not over here. These candles are going to come up like this. You see that? They're going to go shoo, and by the time it starts dropping, it's going to be over here. You see? And then she's going to drop from this side, not this side. So as long as the candle's over here, you find retracement buys up, buy up, buy up, buy up. It's respecting the trend. The trend is your friend. Buy from the trend until the trend leaves you. It's just that simple. I don't suggest buying in middle of the zone. I say, yo, let her come up here, take the sell. Let her come down here, take the buy. That's two Pacific trades that you can wait on. And if it takes you 2-3 hours just to get it, so what? You're working 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, 3, 4, 5 years at a job that does not give you proper value. I don't know how else to tell you, beautiful people. I got 3 minutes. I want to close out the class with 100% thanking you guys for coming and showing up and showing love, being active in the chats. Even though almost 50 of you guys didn't hit the like button, didn't hit the actual thumbs up. Just to let you guys know, because you commenting in the live, these comments don't go to the actual video. You just see them as you're live interacting. Drop your comments on the actual video in the comment section. I've given you guys in the last week and a half, almost 3,000 something pips, 4,000 something pips. 4,000 something pips. Some videos you have plays of 400 pips on gold, 600 pips on gold, and you got 7 comments. Show love, beautiful people. Show love. I'm literally just that simple. Just show love. Just show love. I'm showing up every day. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you're brand new and you came over here off TikTok, shoot me a DM, say, yo, I was just on TikTok live and I jumped on your YouTube, bro. How do I get started? How do I get involved? How do I get in, how do I get in your chats? How do I get signals? How do I get this education on a daily basis? I show up every day. I trade in the mornings and I trade at night. I trade the ending of London and the beginning of London. This is when I trade. And when I set really good London trades at nighttime, 9 out of 10, New York Stock Exchange is going to be a retracement or it's going to flow in those same directions. So I hope everybody understood this class, because this is how you become a sniper in the market. And in order for you to literally get, like, I would say equipped with what I taught you today, watch this video 1,000 times. Watch it 1,000 times until it clicks. And then watch it, get on your computer and do what I'm doing. Go step by step what I just did in class. Follow the class as if you were just basically giving it. And just go from zone to zone to zone to zone to zone to zone. So I love you guys. I'm finna get ready to go to the gym. We got a really good workout in today. We're finna get a really good workout in. So I'm excited. I am excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed the class. Make sure you make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. Much love. Actually tomorrow I will not be here because I am flying to Novi, Michigan tomorrow. I got to fly into Detroit in the morning, drive to Novi. I'm speaking at a golf conference tomorrow. So I'm excited. Actually Friday, Saturday, back Sunday night, 12 o'clock. And then Monday, right here on the block. Tuesday, right here on the block. Wednesday, right here on the block. Thursday, off to Indianapolis. After Indianapolis, you will get me every day, all day, Monday through Thursday, in the morning and at night, because I will be at the crib. I am literally 10 cities in, 3 months into the year, already in touchdown 10 cities. Actually 8 cities, and now I got 2 more left. I had 10 on the schedule, and now we're Gucci. So I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. Deuces. And don't tell me I didn't tell you when you get into open bail, they start telling y'all that 29.30, 29.27. It's not that it's not a zone. It's a really good zone. It's just aggressive and it's on the buyer side. Just to let you know, and you got a lot of news. So I love you guys. Be safe out there. Deuces.